In this video, I'll show you how to convert vertex form to standard form, and I'll be talking about parabolas. So, vertex form, the formula for vertex form is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So this would be vertex form. Now on the other hand, we have standard form. So standard form would be y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. You've probably seen standard form more often than you've seen vertex form. But we'll be covering how to convert from vertex form into standard form. So what you have to do is, your first step would be to look at what's here in your parentheses. You want to look at that. Essentially, x plus 3 whole squared is just simply x plus 3 times x plus 3 and then minus 9. That's just a little bit more broken down. And what you want to do is you want to use the FOIL method. So you want to use the FOIL method and you want to expand this the factors in our parentheses. So what we'll do is we'll take the x times x, the x times 3, and then we take the 3 times x, and then the 3 times 3. And what we get is y is equal to 5 times x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9. Now what you would do next is you would take this and then you would distribute it. So you take that a value and you distribute it. Sometimes the a value may not show, but that just means that you can assume that the a value is 1. And of course, if it's 1, there's no distribution needed. But if it's greater than 1, you need to distribute to that expanded factor. So now we have y is equal to 5x squared plus 30x plus 45 minus 9. And now you want to combine like terms. So then you get y is equal to 5x squared plus 30x. And then our two like terms, 45 minus 9, you would get plus 36. And as you can see, this final equation in blue is in our standard form. So that means we know that we have reached our final answer. So let me just recap. So our first step was to look at the x minus h squared in the equation. Then your second step would be to expand. Then, once you've expanded it, and I'm talking about expanding this into this, and then expanding it into x squared plus 6x plus 9, once you've gone there, then distribute your a value, and then our fourth and final step would be to combine like terms. So you'd look at your x minus h whole squared in the equation, you'd expand that, then you distribute your a value, which in this case was 5. You distribute that into your given parabola, and then you do y equals, and then you'd come out with this, then combine your like terms, and then you would find your final answer. So we'll look at one more example of this same type of problem. So now our new equation would be y is equal to x times x plus 5 whole squared minus 10. Now, once again, let's look at our x minus h whole squared in the equation right here. Then what we would do next is we'd go ahead and expand that. So let's rewrite our equation with the expanded form. So y equals 8 times x plus 5 times x plus 5 minus 10. And then that'll become y is equal to 8 times x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 10. And then we can go ahead and just distribute our a value so that 8x would come here. That 8 would distribute to the x squared, 10x, and the 25. So our new equation would become y is equal to 8x squared plus 80x plus 200. And this finally minus 10. And then we can just combine like terms. So our new equation would be y is equal to 8x squared plus 80x plus 190. And this is in standard form. So we know that we have got to our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos. Thank you.